Class, today we will start explanation lesson 3. The name of the lesson, Save the Environment. Yesterday I explained you environment, pollution, types of pollution, air pollution, what pollutes air, traffic, power and industrial plants, other causes, effects of air pollution, what we can do, water pollution, what pollutes water, industrial water, industrial waste, sewage and waste water. Now today we will start accidental oil leakage in ship. Okay, sometimes a ship carrying large quantity of oil may spill oil if met with an accident. Oil does not mix with water and causes problems to marine wildlife. Underlined spill, the meaning of fall from a container. Accident is an event that happens without being planned. Marine wildlife, underline the word, meaning sea life is the plants, animals and other organisms that live in the salt water of the sea or ocean. Look at the picture. Accidental oil leakages in ship. ये डार्क मार्क देख रहे हो, ये क्या है? इस शिप से ऑयल लीकेज हो रहा है. ओके क्लास, ठीक है? ओके. Sometimes a ship carrying large quantity of oil may spill oil if met with an accident. Okay, when a ship carries oil, for some reason oil starts falling or oil slip due to एक्सीडेंट. अभी मैंने आपको इमेज दिखाई थी ना. ओके. ऑयल डज नॉट मिक्स विथ वाटर एंड कॉजेस प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ मरीन वाइल्ड लाइफ. लुक एट द पिक्चर. मरीन वाइल्ड लाइफ, this is marine wildlife, sea life. ओके. जब ओशन या सी में ऑयल लीकेजेस हो जाता है तो जो सी एनिमल हैं, सी प्लांट्स हैं, वो क्या होते हैं? उनको प्रॉब्लम्स होती है और उनकी जो लाइफ है वो डेंजर में हो जाती है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज मरीन डंपिंग। इन मैनी कंट्रीज हाउसहोल्ड गार्बेज इज डम्प्ड इनटू सी। It not only causes water pollution but also harms animals in the sea. Marine, underline the word marine, connected with the sea. Garbage, waste or rubbish. Okay class, look at the picture. Marine dumping. In many countries household waste material dumped in the sea. In many countries household waste is dumped in the sea. This causes water pollution, but marine wildlife are also harmed. ओके क्लास, अभी मैंने क्लियर किया ना, मरीन वाइल्ड लाइफ, लीकेजेस इन शिप्स, ऑयल लीकेजेस इन शिप, एंड लास्ट मरीन डंपिंग। जब ये सब चीज़ें ओशन, सी और वाटर में मिक्स होती हैं तो हमारा वाटर पोल्यूट होता है और हमारा वाटर से रिलेटेड जो भी लाइफ है वो भी क्या होती है, डिस्टर्ब होती है, वाइल्ड लाइफ, सी लाइफ। ओके क्लास, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इफेक्ट्स ऑफ वाटर पोल्यूशन। नंबर 1, it spread disease like cholera, typhoid and diarrhea. Underline the word spread, means an increase in the amount. Water pollution spread disease like cholera, typhoid and diarrhea. Second point, it harms and disturb the food chain. Okay. Third point, it harms the marine life, plants and trees. Underline the word marine. Why marine life? I already explain you. Plants and trees. Water pollution harms the sea life, means animal that live in the water, plants and trees. Next point, what we can do. Number 1, never throw garbage and rubbish into water. Never throw domestic waste and waste material into the water. Number 2, do not throw chemicals, oils, paint and medicines down the drain. Underline the word drain. The meaning of a pipe or hole in the ground that dirty water etc goes down to be cried away. Okay. Do not throw chemicals, oil, paint, medicines in the drain. Number 3, do not overuse pesticide and chemicals in fields and gardens. Underline the word pesticides, a chemical substance that is used for killing animals, especially insects that eat food. Underline the word chemicals, connected with chemistry involving change to the structure of a substance. Pesticide and chemicals should not be used much in the field and garden. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. This is pesticide जो कि आपके गार्डन में, फील्ड में डालते हैं इंसेक्ट को किल करने के लिए, वो पेस्टिसाइड होता है. ओके क्लास. नेक्स्ट, soil / land pollution. The degradation of land which could be used fruitfully is used land pollution. Land pollution makes the surface of the land ugly and unprotective. Underline the word degradation. Means the action of making somebody be less respected. Underline the word land pollution means degradation. Degradation means patan. Look at the picture. This is land degradation. ओके, जब हमारी जो लैंड है वो क्रॉप्स को ग्रो नहीं कर पाती है. क्यों? क्योंकि हम बहुत ज़्यादा केमिकल यूज़ करते हैं, तो हमारी जो लैंड है वो इस तरह की हो जाती है. लुक एट this. Okay class. Underline the word fruitfully means useful. Underline the word unprotected, not producing or able to produce large amount of goods, crops and other things. Next point is water pollutes land. Causes of land pollution are: 1. Natural events like volcanoes, floods, acid rain, earthquake, etc. Underline the word natural events like, meaning natural disaster include earthquake, volcano, floods, acid rain. Underline the word earthquake, meaning violent movement of the earth surface. Volcano, underline the word, meaning a mountain with a large circular hole at the top through which lava, gases, steam and dust are or have been forced out. Floods, to fill a piece with water. Acid rain, underline the word, rain that has harmful chemicals in it from factories. Okay class. Second point, waste disposal by landfill. Underline the word disposal, meaning throwing something away. Landfills, the disposal of waste material by burying it, especially as a method of filling in and landfill means an area of land where large amount of waste material are buried. Third point, using chemicals, fertilizer in the field. Okay class, जब हम ये सब चीज़ें वाटर में लैंड पे थ्रो करते हैं, डिस्पोजल, वेस्ट डिस्पोजल एंड जब हम ये सब चीज़ें डिस्पोजल लैंडफिल पे फेंकते हैं तो हमारी जो लैंड है वो क्या हो जाती है, पोल्यूट हो जाती है. डिफॉरेस्टेशन एंड सोइल इरोशन. Deforestation means, underline the word deforestation, the action of clearing a wide area of trees. Soil erosion means soil erosion in the removal of the most fertile top layer of soil through water, wind, etc. Look at the picture. Deforestation, soil erosion. Class, this is soil erosion. Okay class, इस तरह से जब सोइल क्या होती है, हो जाती है, तो उसको हम सोइल इरोशन कहते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, डिफॉरेस्टेशन. लुक एट द पिक्चर, डिफॉरेस्टेशन. ओके, जब हमारे जो फॉरेस्ट हैं उनकी क्या शुरू कर देते हैं, कटिंग शुरू कर देते हैं हम लोग, तो हमारी लैंड जो है वो पोल्यूट होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. या हम क्या करना शुरू कर देते हैं, जो डिस्पोजेबल थिंग्स हैं, मटेरियल्स हैं हमारे, उनको भी हम थ्रो करना शुरू कर देते हैं, फेंकना शुरू कर देते हैं. तो उससे भी हमारी जो लैंड है वो पोल्यूट होती है. ओके, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा केमिकल्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं लैंड को फर्टिलाइज़ करने के लिए, ताकि अधिक से अधिक जो क्रॉप्स हैं वो ग्रो हों. उससे भी हमारी जो लैंड है वो पोल्यूट होती है. ओके क्लास. यूजिंग केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर इन द field. Underline the word fertilizer means a chemical or natural substance added to soil, okay, or land to increase its fertility. Okay class. अभी मैंने बताया ना, जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा केमिकल्स फर्टिलाइज़र यूज़ करते हैं तो हमारी जो लैंड है उसकी लैंड को क्या करने के लिए, इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए, लैंड की फर्टिलिटी को इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए, ताकि हमारी जो क्रॉप्स है वो उसमें भी इंक्रीज़ हो, क्रॉप्स की ग्रो में भी इंक्रीजिंग हो. बट इसका इफ़ेक्ट क्या होता है, हमारी जो लैंड है वो डैमेज होना शुरू हो जाती है, उसकी फर्टिलिटी कम होना शुरू हो जाती है और लैंड पोल्यूशन होता है. आई विल टर्न द पेज. Effects of land pollution. Landfill breed rodents like rat, mice and insect that transmit disease. Underline the word landfill. An area of land where large amount of waste material are buried. Rodents means a type of small animal such as a rat, a rabbit, a mouse which has strong, sharp front teeth. Insect. Underline the word a small animal with 6 legs. Transmit. Underline the word transmit. To send or passing something from one person or place to another. The place where waste material is buried. There are mice, rat and various type of pest that spread disease. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Pets, insect जो गार्बेज वेस्ट मटेरियल के पास रहते हैं और इनके थ्रू डिफरेंट टाइप की डिजीज़ेस क्या होती हैं, स्प्रेड होती हैं. नेक्स्ट, फर्टिलिटी ऑफ लैंड इज डैमेज. थर्ड पॉइंट, अंडरग्राउंड वाटर गेट्स polluted due to seepage of waste. Fertility means the quantity of being fertile. Seepage, the slow escape of a liquid or gas through. The underground water gets polluted due to the seepage of waste. Okay class. Now we stop explanation. Open your copy and write question answer. Yesterday I wrote question number 1 and 2. Did you complete it in your copy? Today I am writing question number 3 and 4. Okay. First write lesson 3, date, classwork. Next line, long answer question. Question number, what is land pollution? Mention is its two harmful effects. Answer, the degradation of land which could be used fruitfully is called land pollution. The two harmful effects are: 1. Landfills breed rodents like rat, mice and insects that transmit disease. Number 2. Fertility of land is damaged. Written class, question number 3. Very good. Question number 4. Write 3 ways to control land pollution. Answer, 3 ways to control land pollution. 1. Reuse the things like bottle, wrapping paper, clothing, etc. Number 2. Use biodegradable products like paper bags. Number 3. Minimize use of pesticide. Number 5. Question number 5. How can we control noise pollution? Answer, soundproof rooms should be constructed for noisy machines. 2. Use of horns with jarring sounds should be banned. Number 3. Plantation along roads and residential areas is reduce noise pollution. Okay class, written, it is completed. Question number 3, 4 and 5 complete. Very good. Today's homework is, okay, write and learn question number 3, 4, 5 in your notebook. Okay class, after this work go to the washroom and wash your hand. Be ready for the next class.